Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're talking about the differences between three modal particles, ba, ma, and ne. These are the three most commonly used modal particles in Mandarin. They're always placed at the end of a sentence to stress a certain tone. Then what are the differences between these three characters? The first category is when they're used in questions. With ba, it is more often used to describe a speculation, meaning that you already have a pre-assumption or an opinion about something and you're asking the question just to further confirm your opinion or your thoughts. For example, 你是美国人吧? I already think that you're American and I ask questions just to further confirm myself. It's similar like, you are American, right? 她下班了吧? She is off work, right? So it's a little bit similar to right in English. While with ma, it is more often placed at the end of a yes or no question. For example, 你是美国人吗? So I really don't know if you're American or not. So I'm just asking that, are you American? 她下班了吗? Is she off from work? So I have no clue if she's off from work or not. So I'm just asking it. So it's a yes or no question. You can answer yes, she is, or no, she's not. With ne, it is more often placed in a who, where, or what question. For example, 他是谁呢? Who is he? Or 我的钱包在哪呢? Where's my wallet? 你想喝什么呢? What would you like to drink? It can also be used as a kind of asking back question. It's a little bit similar to and or how about. For example, if somebody asks me how old I am, 你今年几岁了? I can answer, 我今年22岁了，你呢? I'm 22 years old, how about you? 我听说你不喜欢跳舞，那唱歌呢? I've heard that you don't like dancing, then what about singing? The second category is when they're used in narrative sentences. Ba is more often used in a suggestion or a request. For example, 我们出去吃饭吧? How about let's go out and eat? So you're making an offer. 明天不行，后天吧? Tomorrow is not doable, how about the day after tomorrow? So again, you're making a suggestion. 帮帮我吧. Please help me. So with this ba at the end, it really softens the tones to make the other person more willing to accept what you're offering or what you're suggesting. Secondly, ba can also be used in an agreement. For example, 好吧. 好吧 is more like, well, okay, or fine. So you're a little bit reluctant of agreeing it, but in the end, you still agree. That's the tone that ba emphasizes. Or 那就这样吧. Then so it is, or leave it as it is. So you kind of agree what the situation is and you don't want to think about it anymore. So you can say, well, 那就这样吧. I guess we have to leave it as it is now. Ba and ne can also be used in this hypothesis when somebody is choosing between choices. It's similar to when or if in English. For example, 你去吧，我不开心。你不去吧，我也不开心. So it's like, if you go, I'm not happy. But if you don't go, I'm not happy either. So it's like just this if in English. Or 便宜吧，我就买。不便宜吧，我就不买。If it's cheap, I'll buy it. If it's not, then I won't. And that is today's video distinguishing these three really important modal particles. If you can master them, it will really boost up your Mandarin and make you sound a lot more native. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. If you know other differences, please leave it down below. I'm Karen, see you guys next time, bye!